Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Janitor AI with DeepSeek. All right, let's begin. First, open your browser and search for DeepSeek. Click on the official website and access the developer platform, then select Access API. Then from the left side panel, select the API keys section and then click on Create a new key. Name it something clear and easy to remember, like Janitor AI, then copy and store it securely since it may only be shown once. Next, open Janitor AI and select any chat. Click the menu at the top right and go to API settings, navigate to the proxy tab, and click on Add a new configuration. Enter the name as before, then type DeepSeek-chat in the model field. Add the proxy URL with HTTPS and include the endpoint path for chat completions. Paste your API key carefully without extra space and click on Add, then save the configuration. That's it for this video. Thanks.